My beautiful and amazing people, una see dis matter wey sup the media space yesterday wey don come scatter the media about Sophia Momodu fans wey dem go open WhatsApp group dey use am dey drag Chioma legelege like I pass my neighbor generator. It is just an eye opener and also to the whole wide world say for dis life if you ready to marry, make you marry into family wey genuinely love you. E get why o. You see dat man or dat woman wey you wan marry, once you realize say na you and the man na una dey love each other, im family get k-leg for where you dey or dem dey get second mind for where you dey, my sister make you run o, because at the end of the day you are not only marrying the man, once problem sup na the family na you go run to, and if dem no like you, you run to dem. Na dat time you go know say there is difference from I was there and I shall be there. Now as the voice abi na voice record and all the group chat surface the internet where woman like me and you go dey talk say Chioma kpai her pikin just because she want make Davido marry her to gain sympathy and to gain access into Davido's life. I am like, wow, my gender cannot disappoint. Which height wey person fit go with dis kind narrative? Meaning they were still hoping and waiting that Davido go come back and marry Sophia. Say all those one wey dem do no be marriage, say they go still come back come marry Sophia. Hopefully, they are hoping say they go come back come marry Sophia. I am like, wait o. So una no dey pray make Sophia get her own man, make God do am for her, make she marry, born another pikin for another place? Wetin una dey pray make she later come back come marry Davido for? Knowing fully well that dis man na man wey be say una don call am different name for dis life. No kind name wey dem never call Davido. Na frogidu, na womanizer, na folofolo, na dis one. Nothing wey dem never use mouth take call Davido. Whereas in the hidden, dem dey wish say make Davido come back come marry Sophia. Why? Now as if that was not enough, Ubi Franklin wey be Chioma manager, that yesterday na im we know talk say omo, Chioma God is really at work. Wey make dem dey talk am say make you get good heart o for dis life. In anything you do, make you sha get good heart and make you marry into family wey love you. Once you have good heart, you come marry into family wey love you, everything go come be like say na jazz you use, whereas you no use jazz. Dat yesterday na im Ubi Franklin come out say the family of the Davido dem, he himself and the Chioma herself alongside others, well-meaning Nigerians, hope say dem dey bear witness o, because they are going to take full action into arresting people wey dey for that WhatsApp group and people wey be say dem gather theirself dey boo Chioma, that they are going to take action against them. We dey talk that one, we never even finish talk am. Na im Davido papa, the father of them all, the billionaire himself, Mr. Adedeji Adeleke, come out, come talk say that is the least they can do. Omo, na that particular response now reacting to the latest trend, na that one na im come off people. Say wait o, Chioma never even talk anything as all these things dey happen. As all these things dey happen put together, wey the narrative dey fly here and there, wey the WhatsApp chat dey go up and down, everybody dey analyze, everybody dey tag Chioma, dey tag Davido. Chioma did not say a word, but people around her are just busy coming out to respond on her behalf. What more can she ever ask for? Knowing fully well say no be dis woman na im carry herself by force chook am for Davido body o. Na love and grace na im find dis woman. She has never for one day, even when they separated, They went their separate ways. Davido go, waka, 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 waka. He still find a way back into her life. That he is sorry for everything. And during that time, and he has never hide Chioma away from im baby mamas dem. He make sure say all of them know Chioma. Na Chioma na him no know them finish. Still, he choose Chioma over them all. Over them all. He still choose Chioma. But at the end of the day, una dey hate her. Dey talk some kind things on top of her head. Say she kpai her pikin so that she go gain sympathy. Why would a woman kpai im child because of sympathy? And what if the pikin come kpai, dem no come give her the sympathy? Una notice say na she lose. So una like this, una go fit kpai una own because of man. Omo, na im be say my gender nothing wey una no fit do. Dat particular video e off me. Dat chat e off me. The analysis wey people dey do, if I go watch am, e dey off me. Say wait oo, so my gender can go this far just to bring their fellow person down. So my gender can settle down and be saying these things on top of their fellow woman head, all because of say the man no gree marry their faith. Knowing fully well that if Davido marry Sophia, e fit no last because the both of them are not compatible. Davido said it on a several occasion on a live interview. He said one of the major reasons why he loves Chioma is because, not because Chioma cannot on her own decide to grant interview. Countless times, people approach her that they want to do interview with her. They want to do this, they want to do that. She practically turned them down, that she is not an interview kind of person. So tey their Sophia Momodu fans turn am upside down, say she is not eloquent, she no know book, she no sabi speak English, na im make she no wan gree do interview. But Davido dey cover her up say im like her because she no dey like do interview. Say if e sure for her, make she do interview now. Woman say she no dey do interview, una say she must do interview na because say she no know anything. Person wey go the most, no be the university wey she go, wey Davido too go, na im dem go meet. Na that university na im no go teach her. Abi the ones wey she dey come out dey come dey talk once in a while wey we dey hear so, e never reach to grant interview. Last na so dem dey talk go talk come. They don call her names, call her different things, but she still standing strong. And the family wey she come marry into again, dey stand with her gidigba. Na Davido papa own na even sweet me pass. His reaction towards this one, he say na the least thing wey dem fit do be that. Na the least thing wey dem fit talk be that. Last they go tire, they go enter house. If at the end of the day, dem talk, dem see say wetin dem dey wish for, 10 years don pass, 20, 30, 40. Shebi na the Sophia, na she go dey. She no go marry with the hope say Davido go come later marry her. Because I no see wetin dey for Davido body wey you no go get times 10 for another man side. Na money, na fine. So many men are out there that are more okay than Davido. And besides, una don even use mouth finish Davido. Nothing remain for im body again. So why would he now come and marry Sophia again? What is he marrying Sophia for? When she have every opportunity, already red flag dey there. She don see am say e no be best father, e no be best husband. So what is she now going there to look for? Why una no go channel una prayer and fasting, say God, bring our own for this lady. Let her find the man, her bone of her bone and the flesh of her flesh. A man that will treat her like a queen that she is. A man that will love, respect and adore her. A man that will not leave her and go and cheat. And so many prayer points. Make una put her for una prayer. Una use and gather una self. Go stay for WhatsApp chat. They talk things. Omo, na Mr. Adedeji Adeleke say, na the least wey dem fit do be that o. They go talk, they go tire. In as much as the gathering is not of God, the way they take gather themselves, na so they go take scatter. Everybody just dey come out one by one. People wey dey around Chioma circle, na so they come dey fight her battles. Na dem come dey talk one by one. Obi Franklin come talk, Papa Davido come talk, Israel DMW come talk. He say my madam is the best. Like they were just fighting for her without her saying nothing, without her fighting for herself, which shows that if God is for you, no man can be against you. Unless say the chioma too get hand for any WhatsApp group wey she too she dey gather people make dem go dey only Sophia and her daughter. But for the fact that she don't have any WhatsApp group, say na dem create WhatsApp group, na so God will continue to dey disappoint them. God will continue to dey scatter am for them, because make it make sense. Dat lady dey always dey her lane. She dey respect herself. She dey make sure say she put herself and her family on private. She no wan carry am come social media. Anything wey concern her, she dey mind am like say tomorrow no dey. But still, people wan help her mind her business by herself. Like dem wan help her mind her business for herself. Imagine wetin dem settle down dey talk. Dat one off me. But thank God for the kind family wey she enter. Dis one alone, e reach. If na some kind family wey be say dem bin no love her before, dem go first of all go sit down dey reason am say, una sure say no be true? Una sure say no be true? But because na immediately dem finish where Ifeanyi kpai, na im dem bin dey plan their wedding before Ifeanyi kpai. So dem go say na one of the reason wey make dem kuku rush am marry be that. Whereas na the wedding dem dey even dey plan, wey dem even travel for, according to wetin we hear. So at the end of the day now, how will Sophia now be seeing herself? Because wetin we dey hear, dey say all this gathering, despite the fact that she is not in the group, they say she is aware of that group. I don't know how true it is. But if she is aware of any group, because sometimes they do meeting, they do come and gather. The way that Jenny too go meet Sophia for her birthday, they pray for her, they talk say they go fight for her. Say na so they always do. Sometimes they go get meeting, they go gather, Sophia go come around. So she is aware of most of those groups, according to people's analysis. But if na true, say she know about this group and they are saying all these things about Chioma and she never stopped them, then she is not a good person. Let's be realistic and keep sentiment aside. If Chioma too know people wey be say they gather for group, they say some nasty things about Sophia and her daughter, she know, she's aware that she too, she's not a good person. But in as much as say we never hear Chioma own for one day, we never even hear any throwing of soap where person go just come out, come throw soap for person before. Chioma has never done that. If na Davido own, you have every right to drag him if you want to drag him, because of say he no marry your una faith. Anything wey una wan tell am, no wahala. But bringing and involving the wife and the children into the whole thing, no be am at all at all. It is not a good one. E just be like husband wey go outside go cheat. At the end of the day, they come dey drag him wife and him children. Does it really make any sense? Na the man go enjoy himself out there, na the wife come dey suffer am. E suppose be like that. At least na person wey go enjoy, na him suppose hear am hot. But no, una dey turn the whole thing upside down. Una go come out, dey drag Davido, dey talk some kind negative things about her. Anytime wey bad thing happen, una go dey celebrate, una go dey happy say bad thing don happen to am. But deep down, una go behind, go dey pray say make that same person wey una dey swear for, wey una dey say things about, make e still come marry una faith. Na wow, some people really dey do people really dey do things. So may God come have mercy upon us. But I am happy that Chioma is being loved. Not only loved by her husband, but by people around her. And that one dey very, very important. Because on the last day, na your relationship with people, na God go ask, not relationship with yourself. E get why. My people, na the matter be this. So I say make I come drop am for una as e dey hot. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist. Na me dey bring una later. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.